To install our bundle, log into your NetSuite instance, head over to Customization, Suite Bundler, search and install bundles. In the keywords section of the search page, you can find us by our company name, Limebox. That will show all of our bundles that are available. Or you can search by the bundle name if you have it, or the bundle ID. In this case, our bundle ID is 370832. Search. Excellent. Selecting the bundle will open up the detail page, showing the name, the ID, the version information, company information, as well as all of our components within the bundle. From here, you will hit Install. Then you will navigate back to your bundle list. You can do so by going back through Customization, Suite Bundler, Search and Install Bundles, but instead of clicking on this, we will go into our list. This list is every bundle that has been installed in your environment. Scrolling down, we will find our newly installed bundle right here. And you can see that the status icon is successful, so this tool is now ready to use.